Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stuffed Fables. First, each player selects a unique Stuffy character and places 5 stuffing tokens on their card. Next, prepare the dice bag by adding 5 of each colored attribute die, then add white stuffing dice equal to the number of stuffies plus 1, and the same for black threat dice. Shuffle the item, lost, minion, and sleep decks, placing them near the storybook. Finally, open the storybook to your chosen adventure and read the first section to begin your journey. Each player's turn follows 6 steps. First, draw 5 dice from the bag. Next, roll any white dice to find stuffing. If your roll equals or exceeds your current stuffing, you gain 1. Then, place any black dice onto the threat track. Now, perform actions by spending your colored dice. You can move your stuffy up to the rolled number of spaces, attack foes, or attempt skill tests. Finally, discard unused dice and check the threat track before passing the bag clockwise. Combat is central to your adventure. When minions attack, they deal damage, and your stuffy can defend by rolling a reserved die to block some of it. If a stuffy loses all its stuffing, it collapses, becoming unable to perform actions. To revive a collapsed stuffy, it must gain at least 1 stuffing token. Be mindful of the threat track. When black dice accumulate, minions activate, rolling a black die to determine their movement, attacks, and damage dealt to your brave stuffies. The heart of Stuffed Fables is its storybook, which acts as your game board, rules reference, and narrative guide. You'll progress through its pages, each presenting new challenges and story segments. Your choices throughout the game directly influence how you achieve your objectives. As you play, you'll collect discovery cards, which add exciting new elements to your current and future adventures. To win, simply complete the unique objective presented in each story chapter, guiding your stuffies through their epic tale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.